How's the grass? Oh. Yeah, is the grass greener over there? Okay, well, I'm glad you're enjoying it. And good morning, everybody. Say hello to my little rest area deer friend over here. You know, it's starting to look a little different. Although it is green and lush right here, behind me, it's starting to look a little barren and dry. I guess you can't see through those trees, but the other side, it looks like it's pretty dry out there. And of course, I knew this change was coming. You don't really appreciate the lush of the Northwest until you leave, and then everything else isn't so green anymore. It's still green enough, apparently. So I find myself wanting to take a day off, and in order to do that, got to go find an approved spot to park. Basically park for 2 nights, park tonight and tomorrow night. And it's going to be a casino that a few of my friends were telling me about here in Oregon, for the reasons of, well, actually, I have not stayed anywhere for more than 1 night. I have been on the road every single day since I left, only spending 1 night everywhere I go and every single day moving. So it's time for a break. We'll travel a little bit, see what we can find today. All right, wait, before I leave this rest area here near Roseburg, Oregon off I-5, as much hint as you're gonna get, I've been hiding these and not been saying anything about them. I have one last Seattle Seahawks Lacey rock to hide, and I'm going to hide it at this rest area, between the rest area and I-5, near a tree. Go right there. There's a website on the back of the rock, but I'd also like to hear if you happen to be the one that picked it up, if you could leave me in the comments or shoot me an email. All right, let's get on the road, guys. I still check those motorcycle straps every time I stop anywhere. I just give them a tug, make sure everything's okay, and I've had no problems at all. I get back on the highway here. I don't know if you can see, but the landscape definitely looks different. It looks drier. It looks more flat, that type of stuff. And, you know, yeah, Jax hasn't been around much on my videos, but he's fine. This truck's not gonna let me in. I don't know what to do, dude. I'm getting on the freeway. Okay, thank you. Wow, that was crazy. He was not budging an inch. Yeah, have a good day, man. You got the left lane, why not move over and let somebody merge if there's no cars on your side? Anyway, Jax is sleeping right down here right now, just chilling next to me. Sorry he wasn't in my last video at all. It happens. It happens. Typical Oregon, being awfully weird. You know, your little roadside attraction, half car, half mushroom. Oh, I beg your pardon, it might be their porta potty. Is there a steering wheel in there? There is a steering wheel in there, I can see it. But I don't think this thing runs. It looks like it was made out of bedrock, doesn't it? Yeah, that's bedrock, like Flintstones. So what do we got here? Oregon Gifts. Magic Mushroom Lamp and Waterfall Company. Okay. A donut. And a few mushrooms on the roof. And of course, a huge rolled up joint, because Oregon is now a legal marijuana state. Oh yeah, let's go check it out. It smells funky in here. The Oregon State Flower. Oh, and that's cool. Home of the giant joint. But no magnets. I would have bought a magnet. What? There's 100 different ways to deliver that caffeine and sugar in the morning. This is one of my favorites at Dairy Queen, the Moo Latte Mocha flavored. Oh, man. Well, I still had 2 cups of coffee this morning, too. I'm going to be wired today. Ready? Uh-huh. This is home for the next few days, at least for the next 2 nights. I got shade on the passenger side, got the bike off so I can take it into town, go run errands, get groceries or anything else, but I'll pan around and show you the RV lot. There's a couple RVs. I parked as far away as possible from everyone. There is one more Class A right here. I even asked them what their policy is on using stabilizer jacks and slides when I went in to talk to them. and he's said there's no rules really. You just have to be fully self-contained. You can't be living in a van that doesn't have a bathroom and plumbing and stuff like that. You'll be fully self-contained, and don't leave any trash. It's still a little warm though, just so you know. There's the entrance to Seven Feathers Casino. This is exit 99 in Oregon off Interstate 5. To get back in the shade here. I went inside, registered, got a Players Club card, which you spin a little wheel in the kiosk and you get a first-time member discount something. Anyway, I got $10 off of a buffet. Kind of makes me wonder, like, how much is the buffet actually? Like, I don't even know. The average is like 20, 22 bucks at some of these, but they're so good. You just eat once. Eat one time, one day, stuff your face, but take your time, you know, make it last like an hour. Yeah, no, it works. I'm not much of a gambler. They also have free soda and free coffee in the lobby for anybody. If you're staying here, if you're just here, yeah. So free coffee in the morning, free sodas. I'm gonna continue to kind of share my life with you, but that recliner in there is calling my name to sit on my butt. Sit on my butt tonight. I'm not gonna film any butt sitting. All right. Okay. Oh, weird. I'm also boondocking right next to a cemetery there. I did not pay attention to that. Is that going to creep me out at all? Nah, should be fine. Should be just fine. So I did get asked to move from the lot up there. I originally was told to park there and everything was going to be okay. And then security came by and said they're having a big concert up there and all the RVs and everybody has to leave. So they directed me down here, which is fine. It was the inconvenience of having to move, basically. Who cares? I had to put the bike back up, but they have better designated RV parking down here. So I would say shoot for the lower lot, no matter what, just in case there's a concert, I guess. And I was thinking about going in and talking to the guy and saying, why'd you tell me to park over there? And they just kicked me out. No biggie. I'm all set up and comfy and running the generator right now because I ran the air conditioner all afternoon and brought my lithium batteries down to 22%. Lowest I've ever brought my lithium Battleborn batteries down to. So I'm recharging the battery bank as the sun kind of sets just to go to bed with 100% battery life. That's the plan anyway. But no biggie. I'm okay. It was kind of an inconvenience, but that happens. They are offering free dry RV parking, so still cool. Look at that sunset though. Oh, it's awesome. That's I-5 on the other side there. The resort over there on the other side. Wow. You never thought I'd say a casino looks pretty. Well, the scenery out there. Yeah. What's up, my dude? Everybody wants to know why you weren't in the last video. Why weren't you in the vidja-jacks? You gotta be in the vidjas. In all the vidjas. Yeah, man. Oh. Were you sleeping the whole day away? That's probably what it was, huh? Yeah, you were just sleeping. Ooh, he's bitey today. You're awfully bitey. Oh, those are love bites? That doesn't feel lovely. It feels a lot less than lovely. But thank you. Okay. I can have? Well, you weren't using it. Can I have this? I can probably have that, right? I can get away with grabbing that. Or grabbing this. I can probably grab that one. Oh. You sure told me. You told me. Love you, guy. And good morning. Not the quietest casino parking overnight that I've ever stayed at, but that doesn't really matter. I don't mind wearing earplugs. There's a lot of traffic around here. A couple people have left this morning that are in the backup sunnier spots over there. I kind of like that I have shade here in the front passenger side in the morning, and then the sun sets here and it's on this part in the afternoon. So I am just drinking coffee and waiting for the right time. I'm going to go head up to the casino. They have a free shuttle, and I'm going to hit their 2:30 buffet up there and stuff my face. That's the plan. The casino is up there, up the road, and there's the sign telling you what number to call and tell them to come pick you up and kind of describe your RV. We'll go over here and I'll show you there are quite a few RVs, at least 20 RVs in this row on both sides. But if you're looking for a quiet night, this may not be the place. Plate 1, potatoes, chicken, steak, and bread. A lot of food up there, not bad for 10 bucks. Plate 2 is biscuits and gravy, ham, bacon, and eggs. a plate of starch. I know it looks weird, but hash browns, spaghetti, mashed potatoes. I can eat when I want to. Got pies, chocolate, cookies, Rice Krispies, apple crisp. I went with the apple pie and the brownie. You wouldn't like it. It's delicious. It is possible to overdo it. I may have overdid it in there. I'll wait a couple hours, let the food settle, and then I may get on the bike and go explore a little bit more of Canyonville, the city, the area, the mountains and stuff here. We'll see. I'm stuffed. You know, if you're not a believer yet, the bike gives me so much more freedoms to explore, and I found the Umpqua River. Just look at that. I mean, sure, I could sit in that parking lot of the casino all day. I don't want to leave and be gone all day because I miss my kitty. I gotta keep him cool in there, but nice to know the river's there, waiting for me. Eric, come on in. Come on down, Eric. Like I said, I'm relaxing today. Got a whole other night here to just kind of calm down. No editing going on yet. I may edit tonight a little bit. Let's see. Let's go ride some more, though. You gotta check out this killer Prevost bus that just parked next to me. Ain't she a beaut? She's a beaut, Clark. A classic beauty bus. Yeah, so here, well, you'll hear, I would say pretty much every single RV and bus here is running their generator right now this afternoon for air conditioning. It's just, it's a warm one, you know, but we all appreciate the dry camping. And even me, I'm reaching the 5-hour limit for solar up here. Even with all the solar and batteries, lithium batteries, I still have that 5-hour limit where the batteries can't keep up with what's coming in, and I'm gonna have to fire up my generator for a couple hours to get it back to 100% to be able to, you know, so. And I've heard people that have double the capacity of batteries, like Campervan Kevin. He's got 600 amp hours, $6,000 worth of lithium batteries, and even he can't run solar every single day. But maybe a mini split, more efficient air conditioners in my future for next summer for Miranda. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. For right now, it's no biggie. It works. Nah, we're making some changes. So my next video, we're gonna leave Oregon. We're gonna cross another state line in my very next video. It's already planned, although I'm gonna stay here tonight. I'm not gonna film anymore. Gonna relax and do a little bit of deep cleaning and relaxing. And like I said, tune on into my very next video. There's some big changes on the way. I'm not scared of the heat, even those triple digits. It's not scaring me away. There's always a way around it, and you know what? I'll remember these triple digits next time it gets really cold, okay? All right, well, you guys take care. Jackson, I'll see you in a few days. Bye, guys.